Joining us now is Chidu Narayanan, the head of macro strategy APAC at Wells Fargo Securities. Chidu, thanks so much for joining us. I've got to ask you, in terms of what we're seeing on the US dollar, this just abject resiliency, you've got the long end of the curve continuing to track a little bit high. Is there anything in your mind that can put a stop to this relentless charge that the US dollar has been on the plate?
Good morning. Thanks, Will. That's a good summary of, I guess, the year so far. We think that this is a market that's looking for catalysts, not levels, which means that until you get that catalyst, you're going to have the current themes that are driving markets continue to go on. And we expect the catalyst near term. We expect the dollar to remain strong probably over the next 3 to 6 months. You have the US growth outperformance. You have the divergent rate differentials which are already in favor of the dollars and moving even further so as you have other G10 central banks potentially starting to cut over the next couple of months. We think the Fed and markets as well, we both think that the Fed possibly goes for a rate cut in September, which is some distance away. And in the interim, you will have this G10 policy divergence, which will be even more supportive of the dollar. So we think dollar continues to remain strong next 3 to 6 months. And how that plays for Asia is higher dollar Asia.
Does that mean that people should be, allocating short in terms of EM currencies? Because, as this builds, as these yield differentials continue to widen, as this strength continues to play through, they're getting beaten down.
That's right. So just repeating the catalyst bit. Until you get a catalyst, it's going to be the same themes. And the themes have been carry and long dollars. In Asia, you don't have an EM carry theme, which means that you're going to be long dollars against all of the Asian FX. So we like long dollar CNH higher, long dollar yen higher. And as a result of both a weak CNH and a weak yen, you will have a lot of the Asian FX be weaker as well. So Korean won weaker, Thai baht weaker, and so on. But in the rest of the EM space, we like long carry, which the other EMs lend themselves to. So INR is an example. We like long INR. We like long LATAM as well in pockets. So pick and choose. Maybe a better way to express that would be not against the dollar, given the dollar strength. So use a low yielder to express high carry FX. But that's the theme we think continues for the next 3 months.